Hey everyone, fall is in full swing here at our house, and as many of you know, we have switched to a lower carb lifestyle. We take every other weekend off, but a lower carb lifestyle for our family. Well, if you're anything like me, as soon as fall hits, even with it as hot as it still is here in the south, you want pumpkin spice. So we ordered a giant, and I'll show you in a minute, a giant bottle of pumpkin spice Torani. I'm gonna do a couple different videos of seeing how we use our pumpkin spice Torani to make low carb options. Today, I'm just gonna show you literally a simple hot coffee one that we do, just to make how we make our own low carb pumpkin spice coffee creamer. So the first ingredient that I definitely needed was pumpkin pie Torani, the sugar-free version. The only way I could find it was to order on Amazon, and these are the regular bottles that we usually pay like $4.29 for. I want to say this one was actually close to like $15. I don't remember, but this is on Amazon. I'll link it in our affiliates below, as well as if you haven't seen our video on our Star Pack drink station, which I'll link up here. I will also share a link to this below because I absolutely love this station. We also ordered like these cute little jar lids for our coffee and instant coffee. But let's get back to today's video for now. So I haven't even opened this yet, so I'm fixing to open this for the first time. And I'm probably gonna have to do this off camera, but it's got like this little pull tab on it. And this is also a glass bottle, whereas these are plastic. But we're gonna open this up, and then I will show you step by step how to do the do-it-yourself pumpkin, sugar-free pumpkin pie coffee for hot coffee if you cannot buy pumpkin spice creamer in the store. I'm gonna start with specifying that this is not keto bulletproof coffee. This is literally just a lower carb coffee that my husband and I do. He only does it on weekends right now because he can't have hot beverages before going and working a hot construction job. But this is just a hot coffee for us. It's not bulletproof. We don't add anything like that to it. It's just literally a lower carb option. So you can do this with any of the sugar-free creamers. It's something super simple and easy, and that's why I wanted to share it. So the two ingredients going in is heavy whipping cream. We usually prefer to get the Aldi's one because it actually has 0 carbs, and this one does have like this will have 1 gram of carbs per serving. And then this is the Torani pumpkin pie sugar-free, and as you can see, it has 0 grams of carbs. So I'm actually going to put the camera down because this being a brand new open bottle, I'm going to do it with both hands. But literally what I do to start with, and if you're like me, you're busy in the mornings, got to go, I literally use the caps to measure with. So I'm going to do, and I think I could still, yeah, I could still use that. I'm going to do 1 cap full of Torani of the pumpkin. It's technically sugar-free pumpkin pie, but we call it pumpkin spice. But I'm going to do 1 cap full of the Torani syrup and 1 cap full of the heavy whipping cream for starters. And here is what we have so far. I actually added 2 capfuls because I like a little bit more dairy in my coffee than say my husband does. But I also have like an acid imbalance, so I usually find that I can drink coffee easier with the acid imbalance if I actually have a little bit more heavy whipping cream in it. But let's stir this up and try it. So this is my first time ever trying the Torani pumpkin pie. I've tried the French vanilla and classic hazelnut s'mores, regular vanilla, salted caramel, and caramel. I've never tried their pumpkin pie before. This tastes like you just had a piece of pumpkin pie on Thanksgiving morning and then drank a cup of coffee. And it's so good. And it's perfect exactly the way I want it. It's simple, it's easy, but again, I wanted to share it because some people just wanted to know, how do you do it? It was very simple. Like I said, just 2 basic ingredients with your warm coffee is the heavy whipping cream and the pumpkin pie. I do use, for if you're also like me and you don't like as strong of a coffee, this is the Kroger mild blend, the mild breakfast blend, and that may make a bit of a difference to it. Sometimes to make this a little bit dressier, we make our own, we use the heavy whipping cream and we'll make our own Cool Whip to go over top of it. And for off weekends, when we can have a little bit of sugar, we will sprinkle cinnamon and sugar on top. I'm gonna throw in an added freebie here at the end. If you haven't seen our video on decaf specialty drinks for fall and winter, I'll link that up above. It's an older video for warning, so you know, we didn't have like high def cameras back then or anything like that, but it's an older video, but I'll link it up here for you. But just another freebie tip from that video that I'll also share here. is the kids really smelled it and they really wanted to try it. So what we do sometimes for holidays, special occasions, this is not like an everyday thing, it's just like a special treat. Literally take a small amount of the syrup and pour it in the bottom and then fill their cups with milk. This one, you actually can't tell any difference, is actually lactose-free milk, which makes it perfect because now my lactose-free one can have like a specialty drink as well. So went ahead and made those for the kids as well, and this coffee is absolutely amazing. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other requests for recipes, homeschooling, anything right now that's going on in our lives, let us know in the comments below, and we will see you next time.